Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Crypto channel where I talk about cryptocurrencies, crypto airdrop, crypto news, and everything in the crypto space. I make videos every day where I review token. I talk about solid projects, shit coins that are trending on CoinMarketCap, the ones you can invest your money in, the one you should avoid entirely, and I just give you guys updates. If you currently see we are over 5,000 subscribers, our plan is to hit 7,000 before the end of this month. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn up our bell post notification on, so that when I drop interesting updates you'll be among the first to see it. That being said, I'll be reviewing a token, and this particular token is called Chimps Inu. Now there is a token called Chimps token is built on the Solana blockchain, but this is Chimps Inu built on the Binance Smart Chain BEP20. So there are two different tokens. Chimps Inu is currently on the word list of 5,785 people, and you can see this token is relatively new. I'm not sure about that, but then this is the first time I'll be reviewing this token on this channel. It has done like 2.46% today. Every information here are not verified, so I'll be trusting Poolcoin.app to get adequate information. But from here we can see the website. There's a white paper. I cannot find a community link, but I'm very sure that they will have probably a Discord or a Reddit or a Twitter and Telegram group or something. Now they say their token is more of a collectibles, an NFT, and a meme token. So this chart doesn't look unhealthy. This chart looks okay. It shows that sometimes this token has gone up, it has come down like that. And if you check the last 7 days, there was a particular time this token spiked upward. This could be a glitch, or this could be a manipulation or something, but after then the chart has been looking steady. So one thing I'm going to do in this token is that I'll just give you guys my opinion based on the information I get on the official website, from different tools I'm going to use to scan through this token. This is not my opinion, is just for educational purpose. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not a financial expert. Please make sure you do your own research before you invest your money in any crypto project, because your losing or gaining money is solely your decision and should be based on your own research. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's go straight to the review of this token. First, I'm going to go to the official website to get an idea of what this project is about. From the official website, okay, let me see through the website. Now first thing I can notice here is that this website is secure. There's an SSL certificate, which is good. Secondly, the website looks recent, because this is more like a Christmas design. Chimps Inu. The website looks basic. There is no special, like I've seen a website that are way better than this one, but then it is difficult for you to get information like the roadmap, the white paper. Normally they're supposed to be somewhere above the roadmap, the white paper, the token economics. Those kind of information are not here. I'm going to just scroll down. Okay, from here you can see how you can buy the token. You can see the chart, and the white paper is somewhere around this place. I'm going to open the white paper in a new tab. I will not be reviewing the white paper, but I'll just scan through it and tell you guys what I think about it. And they say, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays from Chimps family to yours. May your holiday season be filled with joy and crypto. So basically this is like a Christmas holiday design, and I think they've been audited by TechRate. I'm going to open this in a new tab to see the final update on this audit. Now they say they have the NFT mint, Pixel Chimps. Say meet your Chimps Inu NFT. The cost is 1 BNB. Simply connect your wallet and mint below. So for you to mint NFT, you have to connect your wallet and mint the Chimps Inu. Now this person endorsed by core team member, Crypto Messiah. Well, the Messiah of crypto, I don't know him, but then it's nice that somebody is putting his face out there, which is to add more credibility to the project, so that if anything happens, people know who to hold. But then Crypto Messiah is not somebody's name. Crypto Messiah is just like a nickname you call yourself. So it would have been nice if you can add his official name so that people can know him and search through his social media profiles, and get more information about him. But I can see that there's a LinkedIn details here. I'll just click it and open it in a new tab to see if this person is actually real. I believe so. I hope so. But then let's move further. From here you can see the total supply. This supply is just too much. This is too much. This is too much, guys. This is too much. And I've not seen the token economics, how they intend to bond this token. I've not seen the roadmap. Maybe those will be included in the white paper, but it would have been nice if they can be included somewhere that you can easily see it on the website. This is powered by memes, low buy, high tax fee. So if you want to sell off, the tax fee is very high, 15%. That's too high. When you're buying for 10%, you're selling for 15%. That's too high. They have high supply. This is too much. The supply is just too much in my opinion. They said taxes that work for you will split their taxes in the liquidity and they'll go to marketing funds. Then you sit back, let us grow the token for you with taxes from our loyal buyers and those paper hands. So you just sit back. The community are not even pushing the project. Okay, say generous max wallet will limit you to buy 3% of the supply that you can hold at any time. Okay, this is like an anti way mechanism. I understand. Then active developers, don't you hate not being able to get an answer from our developers? We have an active team ready to help you in our Telegram. Almost every crypto project have people that help them in their Telegram. It would have been nice if you have the pictures of the team, docs the project, so that people can see the people behind this project. Well, this is just the phase 1 of my review. From the official website, I'm not really okay. I don't really have a sense of what the project is about. Let me click on the about to see if I can get. There's nothing much about this, like no much information. These are what the website should contain, in my opinion. Say combining memes and crypto to bring both LOLs and money to the masses of internet. Get some Chase Inu today. You can check out more info about the token below. Guys, I've not gotten enough info about this token. They just want me to buy a token that doesn't have utility. I'm not sure this token has utility. If it has, I cannot find anything on the website. They just told me the features. There's no roadmap. Just expect me to invest money and go and sit down. It doesn't work that way, guys. I feel the team can go back and do a better job on this website, because as far as I'm concerned, I'm not impressed with this website. If I see this website, I will not want to invest in a project. Okay, let's move. This is the tech rate audit. Right, the tech rate audit is a disclaimer. Just scanning through. Let me see the conclusion of the audit. Security issues. There's low severity issues. It can go out of gas. That means this token doesn't have enough liquidity. This function loop decrease shares will be about 10 out of gas, exception if there will be long excluded addresses. Check the excluded array not too big. So there's a low severity issue, and which means it will be out of gas. This is something you guys need to take cognizance of. Owner privileges. In the period when the owner is not renounced, owner can withdraw marketing balances. This is not good. The owner can withdraw marketing balances, and the owner has privileges to this token. Anything can happen with that. Owner can disable auto call and swap contracts. Owner has a lot of power. Owner can change anti-whale. The owner can make decisions. Owner can change team wallet and wallet 2 address. This is also not good. The owner can disable, sell, lock, and buy. This is also not good. Owner has a lot of control over this token. This is where this could be a problem in the future. Owner can exclude addresses. Owner can change sell, buy, lock time. Owner can change the taxes. Owner can change the marketing share and percentage. Owner can manually call swap. Owner can enable trading already called. Owner can change the liquidity token address. Owner can literally do a lot of things. Owner can withdraw the contract balance if it is not locked. Owner can remove the liquidity. Come on, guys. This is too much. In my opinion, look at the conclusion. It says smart contract contains low severity or liquidity per contract. Liquidity locking details provided to the team. This is it. And this is what tech rate note is telling you. Most of you just say, oh, because it has been audited by tech rate. Have you taken your time to read through this tech rate audit to know the issues or what has been the security issues that have been discovered? The owner has a lot of control. The ownership control on this token is way too much. It's not something that is very safe. The LinkedIn account of this person has 42 connections. Okay, let me see more. Crypto Messiah. This is just a LinkedIn that was just recently. Okay. Associate degree, process technology, Southwest, Thai Quarter, Floorman, Sanderson, Matrix. Then he became Crypto Messiah. Like, there's no track record of this person being in the crypto space or something. But then you guys know him. I don't know him. I'm just trying to review based on the information I've gotten. I have a lot of reservations about this project. Then let me move further and check the chart. Currently, the market cap, this total supply is extremely too much. It's just too much. The market cap is just $10 million. The liquidity, there's adequate liquidity here. It's like $868,000. The chart is not looking bad right now. Some people have sold, some people are buying, which is actually buying, selling. The total supply of this token is just too much. Honestly, I'm not just comfortable with it. I'm going to leave there and check the number of people holding this token. We have over 15,480 addresses, right? And nobody is holding more than, this is 1.3%. Everybody is holding less than 2%. Apart from the one that is in the burnt address, which is 19%. This one is on PancakeSwap, 6%. That gives you another bit of confidence on this token. Then let me check the comment of people that have bought this token to see whether there's any red flag or anything that can make you be suspicious of this token. Make sure you watch my video to the end, because I'm not done. I have 2 more steps to go. From here I can see 32 comments. I'm looking for any information about this token. I'm looking for any information about this token that could be a red flag. You said this is next Shiba. People are just hyping. It's more of hypes. But so far I've not seen anything that could serve as a red flag. Okay, let's move. Then I'm going to go to Token Sniffer and BSC check. That is where I will do my final check on this project, right? So on Token Sniffer, you can see this is 30/100%. Somebody has reported this token for token dumps, pump and dump. Somebody has reported this token in the past. You guys have to be very careful. The buy fee 10, the sell fee 15, which is very high. The sell fee is too high. The owner has not renounced this token. The owner has a lot of power and access on this project, which I'm not comfortable with. There is a proud similar token that have done something in the past that have been involved in pump and dump, so you guys need to be very careful as well. From this place you can see that there's adequate liquidity here, but the problem is this liquidity that has been locked is in the next 56 days. On February 2022 it will end, and that is it. There will be no liquidity in this token again, but anything can happen, guys. So I'm going to check BSC check for any information I can get for me to give my final verdict. But from everything I've seen, I've seen a lot of red flags. I feel this token, for as far as I'm concerned right now, doesn't have any utility. One. Secondly, there is no much information on the official website. The website can be done better. Two. Number three, I have a lot of reservation. The token supply is just, total supply is too much. If there's a way they want to burn, there should be in the roadmap there should have been something about the burning mechanism and stuff like that. One can check. I did not even check the white paper. Let me see if I can check the white paper. Let me open the white paper in a new tab and see if I can check the white paper, because that will also be very helpful for us to have an idea of the information. This white paper is not opening. Error. The white paper did not open, so there is no roadmap, there is no direction. Let me try to open again and see. But from the information I've gotten, there are a lot of red flags in this token. This is not the token I want to invest my money in personally. I would advise you to do your own research before you invest in any project. I would not call this a financial advice. This is not a financial advice. This is basically for educational purpose. That being said, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Tell me your honest opinion, what you think about this project. If you think it is a scam, if you think it is worth investing in, bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video where I give you another premium content. I've tried opening this white paper twice. It's taking time to load. The first one I tried to open, I got a error feedback. The second one now is taking time to load. So guys, bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video.